How to turn on or turn off family care notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on connected devices. You will see second option is connected devices, so click on connected devices. Now here, so click on smart things. So after click on smart thing, click on menu. So after click on menu, click on this settings icon. So after click on settings icon, scroll down. After click on smart thing setting, you will see second option notifications. So click on notifications. So after click on notifications, so now here showing you family care. So if you want to turn on family care, so turn on this button. You will see family care is turn on. So if you want to turn off family care, so you will see turn off family care. So you will turn on or turn off family care from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off family care notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.